Hi, good afternoon. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Maria Ponce Apitan, 41 years old. I live in Masbate City. I'm a school graduate. I, I'm the fifth of my family. I am a single mother. I have three kids. One girl is 20 years old, two boys, 19 and 18 years old. I am a high school graduate.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To provide my needs of my children to to a better future.
Okay, um, who will take care of your children?
My mother,
So your mother.
yes.
Does your family know about your applying abroad?
Yes,
Okay, did they support you?
yes.
What is your motivation to work abroad?
For the future of my children, to to finish the school, college.
Okay, if you were homesick, what will you do?
If I'm finished all my duties, I will call my children to talk to them.
Okay, do you have any occupation right now?
I don't have.
Could you tell me about your working experience?
Yes, I have experience there in Saudi Arabia. Um,
Years of experience.
2 years and 5 months.
Their family member. How many family
Uh,
members?
four. Uh, two kids is 9 and 5 years old.
Okay, your duties and responsibility.
Um, I'm cleaning, washing the car, cooking, marketing with my madam.
Okay. Do you have coworker?
I don't have.
So you are the only one.
Yes.
Um, do you need to cook independently for your employer's family every day?
Yes.
Okay, you are the one who cook.
Yes.
Why? What is the reason why you didn't continue to work with them?
Because I'm finished contract, and I will decide to take care of my baby there in the Philippines.
Oh,
I will decide to work again in the other country.
you want to decide again to work another country
Yes.
because of your children is going to college.
College.
Okay. Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Okay. How do you handle the newborn baby that couldn't stop to cry?
Uh, First, I will give the milk, and then I will check the diapers if they have full, and if it's not crying, I will call madam.
Okay. Do you know how to feed or do you know how to uh, prepare milk for a baby?
Yes.
Can you
Um,
demonstrate how to make the baby's birth?
yes.
Okay. Can you demonstrate? No, just on your seat.
This is the baby, and I will like that.
Okay.
I will wait. I will wait for the birth.
Okay. Okay, you can sit down. What will be your message for your future employer?
If you choose me, madam and sir, I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will respect your family. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.